Okay, let's look at another example. Same car race. Which car is traveling faster after 5 seconds? So we're still going to take the derivative, only this time we're plugging in 5 instead of 2. Same derivative as before, b prime of t is t. So we just plug in 5 and you get 5. So the blue car is going 5 feet per second after 5 seconds. Now here's what changes. And for whatever reason, that came off of the screen, so let's move that. Okay. The derivative is still 1/2 e to the 1/2 t, but when we plug in 5 and use our calculator, we get 6.09. So after 5 seconds, the red car is now going faster at 6.09 feet. In other words, r prime of 5 is bigger than b prime of 5 for step 3 comparing. Then we want to answer verbally, the red car is going faster than the blue car after 5 seconds. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what that looks like. Okay, so in this app, you can just go in and change this x2 to 5, okay? And still the red car starts out ahead because if you plug in 0, you get 1 for the red car and 0 for the blue car. So we're just going to look at the very end here at x equals 5. And we're going to notice something about the red car. It starts to speed up, right? Even though it's behind the blue car at that point, the red car is going faster. So we'll watch it one more time. You can see by the time it reaches t equals 5, the red car is going faster even though the blue car is ahead. You can see it speed up right there and kind of overtake the speed of the blue car. It's pretty interesting to compare rates of change even though one car might be ahead of the other. In fact, in this case, the red car is going faster. So we'll just underline that for this example and be done with it. So let's finish this example, go on to the next one. If you have any other questions about this one, let me know.